a cold store. The JK pallets, you always have to give them back the blue pallets. Let's get out a couple of you, that's an hour one of them.
Yeah. What, were they just throwing them out or something?
Well, they weren't that wet, that wood rope sanctions, really soaking wet through. When they stood up, you know, back at club there, on compound get back, they stood up so they weren't as wet.
Oh, so you've got more of it over there.
Well, I can't break them up, it's too hard to break. No, I couldn't do that.
What are they, pallets? What are they used for?
Pallets, you know, like a pallet.
You know, like you see them in Aldi's at the back, they bring
you know,
things
you put crates
out
on them.
Yeah.
They club, they'll be used for crates of bottles. You know, it's like 40 crates on a pallet.
Yeah.
See, that's the end of one of the pallets, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, they go like that. Like, you know when you see them unloading them off wagons?
Yeah.
That's what it is. Pallets. Forklift. What's his forks in there?
You have to walk round them at Aldi's, don't you, on the floor and
Yeah.
stuff from there to that. That'll burn all night with that, looks, it's so thick.
What are they used for around the club?
Yeah, for bringing in like
The beer and everything.
Like bottles will be on there, crates. The barrels won't be on them. You know, they stack like, say, layers of, like 4 crates on there to about, say, 8 in a layer.
Hmm.
You know, back of a wagon and just pick them up like that, take them up.
Yeah.
Bottles and stuff, crisp and stuff like that and all sorts. Obviously a crate, probably get 40 crates on the pallet.
Hmm.
10 on a layer. 5 down that side.
Can you hear the fireworks, but I can't see them now.
You've seen them on lonely pallets off back of wagons, haven't you? Forklift.
Yeah.
It will be, bottles will be back. What it is just roll back in the barrel.
Yeah, some going up there.
Yeah. Go up.
Did you get that one?
Yeah, pretty much. Camera was shaking a
We're
bit.
going to go off then because they've done two. They'll be lighting another one now, I think.
I quite like that Cofton Park thing, it's a shame it's not going on. Hang on though, it wasn't always Cofton Park, was it? I'm sure we went up somewhere else where there was a fair on and we saw...
Yeah, Cofton Park used to be every year.
I thought we went somewhere and Dave was there, electrician Dave, but I didn't think it was Cofton Park that year.
It had our wellies on, it was thick mud and there was a fair.
Oh right, I thought there was...
That was Oak Lane, that was...
Oh, Og's Lane.
That was Neville's.
Oh, Neville's Cross, do you remember? And
Yeah.
what's it? Ring was walking around with Abby on his shoulders, remember, outside?
Yeah. There was a wheel, there was a big wheel or something, well not a big one, but there was a...
Oh, the fair would have been Cofton Park, wouldn't it?
Hmm.
Why the club doesn't have a firework? If it's old men and they're not bothered.
Unless it's because they don't want to mess up the grass for the football team or something.
Oh, they could do something. Setting off fireworks, they haven't got to have a big fire. Why don't families moan and say we want a family firework night? Yeah, at work they went to Redditch Fire Station, there's a big one there every year, so that's where everybody would go.
So we're celebrating what Guy Fawkes would have done, or the fact that he didn't actually kill anyone.
Was he burnt at the stake as well? Is that a significance of fire?
He was hung, I think.
Oh, he'd have been hung in the tower. He'd have gone to the tower, hadn't he? Treason.
Yeah, but the whole country might have turned out a little better if he'd have succeeded.
It's in V for Vendetta, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, they show him being hung at the beginning of that, actually. I just want one more firework in the air to round out the video here.
I know, they've only set up two. They must be having the wool ones on the floor now, we can't see. Perhaps people are using up what they didn't use up last weekend.
Here we go, maybe.
It's a microwave hot dog.
A microwave hot dog. Ooh.
No, they're quite big. How big are they?
I know. They're nice. I've had one.
Have you?
Well, I had a microwave sausage the other night. They're just the sausages, were they? They weren't hot dogs per se.
You're not hungry with having that McDonald's?
No, I'm not really. Just want one more firework. Can hear them going off. Just wanted one more, really. Oh well, I got a bit of one anyway. I think I'll stop the video there.